Good day, Forex for Beginners Academy. My name is Relebohile, all the way from South Africa. I'm sending this video to show my utmost gratitude to Mr. Saad Ali for having created this free educational Forex trading course. I've indeed learned a lot from it, and I take with me the knowledge about chart analysis, Fibonacci tool, drawing trend lines, learning about candlesticks and price action. Again, from this course, I learned about the important website, which is TradingView. It's a site which helps us with chart analysis. I've also been very privileged to be part of the private student group where we can post our charts, how we draw trend lines, and have Mr. Saad Ali correct us and assist us again. I am indeed grateful and do feel privileged to having come across this course and have taken this journey to learning about this huge Forex trading industry. Thank you very much.